my gosh, this is heavy. Oh my gosh, I almost knocked myself out. Good fun times. Hey everybody, and welcome yet to another Temu haul for y'all this fall. Oh my gosh, she's back again, acting like she's Eminem. Anyways, I feel like I can't be as crazy over here. People get a little too judgy, but this is a channel where we embrace the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Yes, your girl has a lot of energy because I slept like a mother trucking queen last night. Why? Because I taped my mouth shut. The night before, I had taken my tape off because Haley had called at like 11:30 at night, and I had to talk. And I was like, oh, it's fine. I don't need to put the tape back on. Y'all, I sleep so much better. I think I get more oxygen to the brain or something. And if you don't feel like I do, just shush. So anyways, welcome to the channel where your girl's gonna ramble. And that's all right. That's okay. I'm gonna do it anyway. So no, I wasn't a cheerleader in high school, I promise. Anyways, if you've never heard of Temu, I'm so glad you stopped by. I also have some other channels, Hotmess Momma vlogs, Hotmess in the kitchen. I have playlists over there, try-on hauls, everything of Temu. And they were kind enough to let me pick out a bunch of stuff to show you guys. So if you've never heard of Temu, it is an app that you can download, and they have everything. They have everything from indoor to outdoor, home decor, fashion, beauty, you name it. I've even gotten camping things from them. I love them, and if there is any coupons available, as always, they're going to be down in my description box. I'll pin them for you guys as well in the comment section, but definitely download the app. They're constantly adding new things too, by the way, and on top of that, they have sales galore. They have lightning deals, they have free shipping, they have price adjustments. I mean, you guys, the things that I find on Temu, they're constantly adding new things. Okay, so the first thing I have is a broom holder. So right now, currently, our broom is like at the top of our stairs, and it never fails. My husband goes to go down the stairs and like bumps it, so the broom flies down the stairs. So I thought this might be a good idea for a shirt. This is actually really nice and durable, but I thought this would be smart to have going down the stairs, and then we could put like our dustpan or whatever, mops, because right now my mops are at the bottom of the stairs too. So yeah, I picked this up, and look at that, it's got like the hooks and everything, so that's really nice. The things that they have at Temu, you guys, it's like one of those things where some people will say they go into like whatever store and the store tells you what you need. That's how I feel like when I'm on the Temu app. You know, I'm not 100% always sure of the things that I need, but Temu lets me know, you know? So, and they have everything, like if you are into crafts, they have crafting things too. Like Haley's getting married next May, and they're getting like wedding things there, and I'm really excited. Her and I are going to be doing a try-on video on the other channel, so definitely make sure to follow me over there, Hotmess Momma vlogs. I don't know when, but we've already decided we're doing like a bridal try-on and then like a mother of the bride outfit, so definitely make sure to check me out over there. All right, next I picked up, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so my happy place. I actually thought this would be cute to put in my beauty room, so that's what this is for. It's kind of like a neon light, and I've got like a little like frame holder kind of thing, or a picture holder, so I'll like prop it on there, but you can actually hang it onto the wall too. I'm not for sure if I'm going to do that, but you just plug it right in. How cute is that? That's actually precious. I'll like pop a picture of it plugged in for you guys. I love this. Oh my gosh, so cute, and available on Temu. That's what I'm saying. Like, the things you will find will literally like just boggle your mind. And the nice thing, like I said, they'll have like sales of up to 90% off on their prices, and then they have lightning deals going on all the time. You just can't beat it. Oh, okay, these are pillowcase cover thingies. So these are indoor outdoor types of pillowcase covers for like, what is it called? outdoor pillows. So anyways, I thought these would be cute to have. You could change it up. Like right now out back I have pillows like in this size, so I thought maybe this would be cute to kind of change up the look without spending a lot of money. These came in other colors as well, so I got like the navy, and is it navy? It looks navy on here, but when I look at it up here, it looks like it's black. But anyways, I thought this would be really cute and, you know, a nice way to change things up at an affordable price. And then I also, as accenty, I got them in a larger size. Isn't that so cute? So this is a great way, and you can hear, yeah. So they're good, they're for outdoor and everything, but they came in other colors as well. But I thought this would be really like a really nice affordable way to like change out like what you got going on, and you're like, oh, I'm tired of that. Boom, you got these. Perfect. All right, next in here I got another one of their mats. I love these mats, and I love changing stuff up all the time. This, check your vibe before you come inside. Is that not perfect? I love that so much. Like, I've got a couple of their mats, and I think they're perfect. I've got the kind that is like a different color underneath, like a bigger one, and then as an accent I put these on top, and they hold up. I mean, they're not crazy like thick, but I don't have any issues with them whatsoever, and I think they're really cute. Like, even our neighbors have come over before, and they're like, oh, I really like your mat. I'm like, Temu, you can't beat it. Download the app and check it out. All right, so these are flip-flops, and I got these for my husband. Oh, no, wait, these are for me. Hold on. Yes, these are for me. So these are just nice little cozy flip-flops that I thought would be good like when we go camping and you're at the shower house or whatever. I don't know about y'all, but I don't shower in the showers barefoot. Even though I know the lady like comes in and bleaches everything down, it still wigs me out. So yeah, I got these to take with us and just have them as like my shower house slippers. But I mean, they're so cozy. Actually, I don't think I want to just keep them for that because they're so comfortable. I like running around the house in slippers, as we know, but these would be good outside too. So just for reference, I got a 42-43, which I feel like would be ginormous, but I wear a 7.5 to an 8. So these are a little big, but I don't know. I like them. I'm gonna wear them. They came in other colors too. All right, next in here, we've got, okay, so I don't know about y'all, but I don't let people wear shoes in our house. It grosses me out. I am a huge germaphobe, and I found this, and I thought this would be really cute, just as a nice little friendly reminder of when people walk in, just remove your shoes. I don't know, I'm very funny about it, so I thought this would be cute. Like when somebody comes in, they'll just see that hanging up, and then they'll just know, gotta remove our shoes here. All right, next in here, I thought this is too cute. I got another of the neon signs. So isn't that cute? So this one has like, well, they both have a little case, but this one I gotta peel the little doohickey off, I think. But isn't that so cute? And it's in pink, and I love it. Yeah, remove protective. So I've got to remove the protective seal. But anyways, I thought this was cute. You got a little plug in, and they're nice, and I just think they're so doggone cute. Like, how precious is that? A nice little neon, affordable, like, I was gonna call it a mirror. It is not a mirror, but a little neon sign. I love that. All right, moving on. I got another sign, and I thought this was cute because sometimes, like, we're not supposed to get solicitors here, but sometimes they try and solicit. But I've got like a tiny little placard, but in case they miss the placard, I got this to hang up. No soliciting, don't knock or ring the doorbell, don't make it weird. Seriously, family and friends and deliveries are welcome. But isn't that funny? Yeah, I don't know, I love stuff like this, so I thought this would be really cute to hang up outside, because no joke, no lie, it makes it so weird. Like, there's been times that I've answered the door not thinking, and like a solicitor's there, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm the weird, awkward person, period. I know it. I own it. It's fine. All right, so these I thought would be really fun to put on the car. And that's what they're for. They're magnetic, and you know, I may whine about fall and everybody's like all the fall vibes and I'm not ready for it, but there's just something about Christmas, okay? So you get like this pack of, I think they're almost reflective. Do you see it? Little lights that you can, they're magnetic, and you can decorate your car. How freaking cute is that? And then there's different sizes, and then here's a little string. Well, it's not string, it's magnet. But how freaking cute is that? Like, I don't know if you guys do holiday parades or whatever around here, but, or around your neck of the woods, but around here they do, and I thought this would be really cute to add to the car, you know? Like, you know how some people put like, what's it called? Eyelashes on their car? I thought we could do lights. All right, and then I did pick up, I like this color, which goes with the gray, and then the navy and white I thought would be really cute. And it's just another outdoor set. How adorable is that? You could be nice and cozy if you go down to the lake. You know, you get some outdoor pillows, just nice and relaxed. Yes, please. I love that color too. All right, y'all, so that is everything for today's Temu haul. Everything's going to be linked and listed as always down below for you guys for direct purchase. Thank you guys if you do decide to purchase anything that I'm showing you in today's haul. Definitely make sure to check out the neon signs. I mean, these are going to be perfect gifts for, I mean, you maybe, but even if your kiddo is going back to college or whatever, you can hang them up in their college dorm. I don't know. I love finding all the different things on Temu. They have so many different items there that it's just, ooh. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me some ideas of some things you'd like me to haul in the future. Thank you to Temu for letting your girl pick these items out, and definitely make sure to check out my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, because there were some clothing items that I did haul that you guys will be seeing a haul over there. So anyways, until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice.